Artoonza.
Art adventurers, are you ready for a fun challenge? Imagine drawing a unicorn juggling ice cream cones, a pizza slice that can sing, and a cat wearing sunglasses. Sounds wild, right? Well, this hand drawing is going to be even easier. We'll be mixing colors to create amazing skin tones and adding some seriously sparkly nail polish. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up. Let's get those creative juices flowing and have some fun. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. To get skin color, we need 3 main colors: yellow, white, and red. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Yellow and white again. Give us your like.
Wow!
Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. More white. We need a blizzard of white paint. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now. Green.
Wow!
Pink.
Aw, so cute.
Green nail, pink nail, and blue nail. It's like a rainbow party on the fingers. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Give us a big thumbs up.
Wow!
This is so amazing. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.